Hi guys, it's Chris here from SomeBloke and Travels a Lot, and I'm just checking in, or have just checked in, to my superior room at the Novotel Lisbon. We're a couple of kilometres out of the city centre, out of the riverfront, but very close to the shopping areas, so that's pretty cool. So let's take a peek at the room. That is a pretty impressive sized TV for a superior standardish room. There's a full length mirror. I've got my coffee, my espresso, quite a few capsules. This I like. I do like this in a room. The fact that I can make a coffee from my room and take it outside with me. I actually prefer that to crockery in the room. Okay, we've got a mini bar now. This is a free mini bar, so it's not flooded with wine and spirits. Although we have got a beer in there, so we've got a cheeky beer, a complimentary minibar, safe, yeah, that's nicely firm in, and our wardrobe space, plenty of wardrobe space, and we have coat hangers. Now this is the third hotel I've stayed at in Lisbon on this trip. Not one of them, Ibis, Sofitel or Novotel, has had an iron or an ironing board. I'm going to find out why. So I do like an iron and an ironing board, but maybe there's some sort of policy that's unique. So I've got a pleasant work area. Now I have just moved this table out, but as you can see, and here, it's got a lovely squeak. But it does make it for quite a nice corner unit desk area to work on. And as I've got some graft to get done, that's pretty useful for me. I've got European PowerPoints, Ethernet. I don't think those Ethernets are live. As per normal, I'll put a speed test up of what internet I'm getting here. These speakers are great. Not only can you attach your phone with Bluetooth, it's also got a USB charging point. So even in these rooms that don't have mains USB, you usually find a USB charging point on your radio or your Bluetooth speaker. So worth popping out for as you're sharing one plug adapter. Right, over to the bed. Again, I've got my old Ethernet ports, and we've got power sockets on one side of the bed. Lovely Novotel sized bed, and they've run upstairs with a dressing robe and slippers, which is nice of them. Let's have a look at what we've got. There we go. Lovely. That's nice and firm. I had a beautiful bed last night in Sofitel, but it was just that little bit too soft for me. So kind of that's more my preference. This I believe is a sofa bed. A little bit of arse on the walls. And I'm right up on the 9th floor. So we've got a sealed window. That's a pretty cool view. It's December the 17th, everybody. So, sorry, December the 16th. So that's why it looks a little bit grim outside. But, yeah. So is that an aqueduct or a viaduct? Anyway, here we have it. Novotel, superior room. And there's me. I've got carried away with viaducts or aqueducts. I forgot the aqua room. Didn't show you around the bathroom. So, here we go. It's actually quite a large room. So we have our bidet. We have our toilet, which of course is nice and immaculately white. Plenty of loop roll. It's a fair sized bathtub. That's a fair sized bathtub. A lot of Novotels, especially the newer ones, just have the shower. I think it's always nice to have the bathtub. And yeah, I can't fault it. A little bit of grouting, probably do with a bit of a spruce, but it is a very clean bathroom. As you can see, nice shiny tiles. We've our Novotel smellies, plenty of them. And all our little amenities, shaving, dental, comb set. Yeah, comb set, that's not required. And quite a few nice towels. So, I will sign off again. superior room at the Novotel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.